Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're having trouble with your Fire TV remote not working, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps to get your Fire TV remote up and running again. Let's jump right in. Step 1, check the batteries. The most common reason for a Fire TV remote not working is dead or weak batteries. Start by popping off the back cover and replacing the batteries with new ones. Be sure they're inserted correctly, with the positive and negative sides matching the markings inside. If the remote still doesn't work after changing the batteries, don't worry. We have more solutions to try. Step 2, restart your Fire TV. Sometimes it's not the remote, but your Fire TV itself. To fix this, try restarting the Fire TV device. You can either unplug it from the power source and plug it back in after a minute, or use the Fire TV app on your phone to restart it. After the Fire TV restarts, try using the remote again. Step 3, repair the remote with Fire TV. If the remote still isn't responding, it might need to be paired with your Fire TV again. To do this, press and hold the home button on your remote for about 10 seconds. You should see an on-screen message saying the remote is paired. If the pairing doesn't happen, move closer to your Fire TV device and try again. Step 4, check for obstructions or interference. Another thing to consider is whether there's anything blocking the signal between your remote and the Fire TV device. Make sure there's a clear path with no large objects in the way. Also, avoid placing the Fire TV device near other electronics that might cause interference, like routers or Bluetooth devices. Step 5, reset the Fire TV remote. If your remote is still not working, try resetting it. To do this, press and hold the back button, menu button, and the left navigation circle at the same time for 10 to 12 seconds. After that, release the buttons and wait for a minute. Then try using your remote again. Step 6, use the Fire TV app as a remote. As a last resort, you can always use your smartphone as a remote. Download the Fire TV app from the App Store or Google Play, sign in, and pair it with your Fire TV device. You'll have access to all the controls right from your phone. Conclusion. And there you have it. Those are the steps to fix your Fire TV remote. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.